क्या करेंगे इंस्पेक्टर अंसारी? आगे क्या होगा? क्या इंस्पेक्टर अंसारी इन 6 दोस्तों को ढूंढ पाएंगे? क्या लक्ष्य पे फिर से हमला होगा? क्या किलर इन्हीं लड़कों में से एक है, दोस्तों में से एक है? क्या गोवा आगे टूरिस्ट के लिए सेफ होगा? इन सारी बातों को जानने के लिए आपको देखनी पड़ेगी हमारी फिल्म विच इज रिलीजिंग ऑन द 24th of June 2016। जोरदार ताले हो जाए हमारी फिल्म के लिए। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हुए आई वुड लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस यू हमारे फिल्म के कास्ट एंड क्रू से। एक होता है लेखक जो एक अच्छी फिल्म से हमें एंटरटेन करता है, और दूसरा डायरेक्टर जो इसी फिल्म को एक दिशा देता है। लेकिन धमाका तब होता है जब ये दोनों ही एक इंसान है। सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, put your hands together for the writer director of the film Missing on a Weekend, the very talented Abhishek Zawkar. उन्हीं के साथ मैं स्टेज पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी फिल्म के प्रोड्यूसर्स को, जो है राजेश पटंगे। जोरदार ताले हो जाए उनके लिए। फिर से एक बार अभिषेक जावकर एंड नन अदर देन सेबेस्टियन जोसेफ। अब इस कहानी को फिल्म के पर्दे पर जो जिंदा करेंगे, आप उनसे मिलना चाहोगे? यस, हाँ या ना? All right then, put your hands together for Pawan Malhotra, who will be playing Inspector Ansari. And वो एक लड़का जो इंस्पेक्टर साहब को इन्वेस्टिगेशन में हेल्प कर पाएगा या नहीं, या क्या होगा, Laksh, who will be played by the son of the veteran singer Hariharan. Put your hands together for Karan Hariharan. The other actors are Debyendu Bhattacharya. Please put your hands together. Can you make your way up to the dais? All our love goes out to Debyendu and all the best for the film. Next we have Dishank Arora. Come on Dishank, quickly. And the other actor is Jyoti Sethi. Come on ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together, giving her a warm welcome. We also have Akash Bhatija, Shiva Dagar. Come on, show some love everyone. Put your hands together. Siddhant Mahajan, Masa Koshesh, oh she's actually missing. Oh, we'll find her soon. Inspector Ansari, आपको एक और काम है, इनको ढूंढना। हाँ, इनको ढूंढना। जोरदार ताले हो जाए इनके लिए। And we're going to have some grooving foot tapping music by none other than Nakash Aziz, singer being Shan and backed up by the band Superior. एक स्पेशल इवेंट को और भी स्पेशल बनाने के लिए हम बुलाते हैं एक आज के हमारे खास मेहमान को। वो इंडस्ट्री के दिग्गज कलाकार ही नहीं,
most important Khushbu we forgot.
Oh, I'm so sorry. The beautiful, the very beautiful Khushbu Kamal. We wanted to give you a special welcome. A huge round of applause for her. Come on everyone. और आज के हमारे स्पेशल गेस्ट है हमारे इंडस्ट्री के दिग्गज कलाकार। सालों से हम इनके गाने सुनते आए हैं, गुनगुनाते आए हैं। He makes nothing else but soulful music. और आज सबसे खुश वही होंगे क्योंकि ये फिल्म है उनके बेटे का फिल्म लॉन्च फिल्म। तो जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करें फॉर द वेटरन सिंगर मिस्टर हरिहरन। We also have another special guest amongst us. She's one of the contestants from Big Boss, and she's come as an actress in the film Kya Cool Hai Hum 3. Put your hands together for Giselle. Oh, she's on the way. She's also missing. Missing on a weekend has too many people missing. Wow. So Abhishek, you are the director, writer, producer. Oh my God, one talent under one roof. And we would like to know, what was your experience? First of all, the vision about the film. What do you want to do? How do you want to give away the message to the people? And what was your experience?
There's no message in the film as such. It's like be in your limits, have fun. Experiences, फिल्म के बाद मैंने भी थोड़ी दाढ़ी रखी है, जैसे पवन सर ने रखी थी, और हाँ दिशांक ने रखी है, और हम थोड़ा दाढ़ी खुजाने लग गए. You know, you will see it in the trailer. You know, the Pawan sir has done some unique thing with the character. He's always doing this. I don't know for what reason, sir. Even I have started doing this. हाँ, ये भी
You have
करने
grown
लगे.
onto each other. मतलब इतना time
ये
spend
सब भी
किया साथ
सोचने
में.
लगे.
हाँ, हम भी सोचने लगे, पर हम ऐसे भी सोचते हैं कभी-कभी सर. So yeah, the overall experience was fantastic. You can see all these beautiful people who completes the film. Hari ji was always there on my beck and call, you know, for all the support. Karan ने कभी सताया तो मैं फ़ोन करता था, सर करण सता रहा है. नहीं, ऐसे कभी हुआ नहीं. He was like a good kid on the set. He was an absolute director's actor. I used to make his life miserable. Like all the actors will agree with me that I used to make all the actors' life miserable.
I agree.
ये मुझे भी नहीं पता चलता था कि कैमरा रोल हो रहा है और मैं चिल्ला रहा हूँ, अबे लेफ्ट में देख, और लेफ्ट में देखने के बजाय सब लोग मेरे पास देखते थे. What's wrong with him, man? So ऐसे चला कुछ 5-6 दिन, बाद में शायद इन्होंने आपस में एक मीटिंग करी और बोला ये डायरेक्टर थोड़ा मैड है. So जब भी ये बोलता है ना, इनकी तरफ मत देखना जहाँ लेफ्ट बोल रहा है देख, और मैं हमेशा करता था लेफ्ट में देखना, which means my left, and they, of course it's opposite, and they used to look at their left, and then I
सोचिए कितनी इंटेलिजेंट काम, पहले 5 दिन में पता लग गया कि डायरेक्टर.
हाँ, so ऐसे सब stories हुई. I'm sure everybody of you will agree, and yeah, see, everybody will agree. और बहुत पेशेंट काम बंदा अगर सेट पे कोई होता था तो वो मैं होता था. Which see, everybody is agree. Karan is nodding. Yeah.
They are nodding so sarcastically. You know that, right?
No, they agree with me, and yeah, it's complete opposite. But yeah.
You have no choice. You have to agree with your
And no, it's nothing like that. But yeah, overall, it was a fun film. We were there in Goa for about 30 days. Interesting चीज़ ऐसी थी कि पवन सर का काम कुछ 15-16वें दिन में ख़त्म हो रहा था. फिर पता चल गया यार पवन सर चले जाएंगे यार, सेट के बाद मस्ती कौन करेगा. सो हमने रीस्केड्यूल कर लिया पूरा, एंड वी मेड हिम वेट लाइक सर कल आपका सीन नहीं है, एंड वी मेड हिम वेट टिल द 30th day. वी ऑल लेफ्ट टुगेदर. You know,
He was kind enough to wait back. इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां
yeah,
हो जाए.
he was.
In fact, I was told 28th, and then I realized that, you know, these locations, they can finish my work, and they used to tell me, kal aapka kaam nahi hai. So once or twice it was okay. Then once I told him that, you know, we could have finished this, we could have finished. So towards the end he tells me, we were purposely, you know, keeping you here. So dates were already taken, you know, but then they could have finished my work earlier because the locations were such. But I had fun. In spite of all these boys and girls. No, but I had very good time with them. And shoot was, of course,
मतलब इन्होंने
was
बहुत तंग
interesting.
किया आपको.
No, I had a great time with them. Evenings, this guy will pick up a guitar and singing, and, you know, we'll go for walks and jamming and go out to eat, you know. Or we gymming, of course. We had a very good time, and I think units should be like that. It's like, you know, when you're working together, once you're together, I mean, of course, everybody has to, you don't forget your characters. I don't have to be friends with them in the film. But once after the pack up, it's always nice to get together. And since I've got an opportunity, I would like to thank everyone जो आप लोग आए उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, and especially the press. These kind of films, they really need यू नो प्रेस की एक सपोर्ट हमें बहुत ज़रूरी होती है.
Thank you. Huge round of applause,
बड़ी
ladies and
बड़ी जो
gentlemen.
सो कॉल्ड मसाला स्टारर फिल्म्स होती हैं वो तो टू बिगिन विद बहुत महीनों पहले ही, शायद एक साल पहले उसकी पब्लिसिटी शुरू हो गई होती. देयर आर सर्टेन लिमिटेशंस विद दीज काइंड ऑफ फिल्म्स. सो प्रेस प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. और रिलीज होने के बाद अगर आप लोगों को अच्छी लगे, अगर आप प्रेस वाले जाके देखें या चांस हो देखने का जो प्रेस शोज में, if you like it, of course I'm not saying, so please support the film. You know, this kind of cinema needs a certain kind of help support. आज की डेट में एक हफ्ते में 2-3 फिल्में रिलीज होती हैं. Every film needs to make its place, and press plays a huge role. I mean, even if you don't want to accept it, it's a fact that press plays a huge role to inform your audience, to reach your audience. It is very important. Thank you.
Hariharan sir, what would you like to say?
Well, I would like to say, I would like to express my happiness today, and quite excited. And my mom is very excited. She is the most excited person in our family. And my grandfather, that is her father, was an actor, and he was a harmonium player in the dramas. So the acting, there is some kind of acting.
Yes, the connection.
Yeah, the connection is there, and like Karan has been always interested. वो नौटंकी बोलते थे, because the day he used to have tests in his school, around about 9:15, he will suddenly sit down and say, "Mama, बहुत पेट दुख रहा है मेरा."
I just thought of
You
the
know,
same
yeah.
thing.
So he's been acting ever since then, and as he grew up, it became more stronger. So at one point of time, I said, "Okay, I hope people will like this film." My best wishes. Thank
I'm
you.
sure it will, sir. It's made with a lot of passion. Karan, what would you like to say about the film? What would you like to say about Abhishek?
No comment.
If you see his muscles, nobody would like to
Comment anything, I'm sure.
speak honestly.
Exactly. No, he's phenomenal. Like you said, he's a stickler for detail, and you could really appreciate how much support. I mean, I really appreciate how much support he's given me throughout this entire process. Also, I really like to thank Pavan sir for all the support he's given, especially in those scenes where there's some tough scenes in there, and acting with an actor at his caliber is just phenomenal as an experience. And when it comes to everybody else, guys, thank you so much. I had such an amazing time working
A
with
huge
all
round
you.
of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for that emotional note.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. I'd like to open the floor for media for questions. आपको कोई questions पूछने हैं, इनसे आप पूछ सकते हो.
Hello. 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 Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Good evening. Yeah. Good evening to all. I like to ask Abhishek. आपसे is this story based on a real life incident?
Not really, but गोवा में 2 साल पहले ऐसे कुछ होता था. I mean, there was something happening. Some tourist was kidnapped, and one German girl was being raped and all that. So few inspirations here and there, but no, it's complete fictitious and my thought process and everybody's contribution towards it. Not a real life story, but yeah, something which happened in Goa in the past. I don't know how police investigated it or something like that. I don't know about it, but I made it more like an investigating story.
And was Karan your first choice for his role?
For that character, yes. I have known Hariji since long. I have seen Karan like 100 kg boy. So when Karan was back after his Strasbourg thing, and he was ripped and all that, so I was at Hariji's house, and I just told him that you have to come to office tomorrow. And he very casually walked into the office tomorrow thinking कि कुछ तो assist करने बोलेगा या कुछ तो करेगा, and the entire audition was set up actually for him. And I gave him the sides and I was like, Karan, just give this audition for me. And he was like, really? LA में तो एक दिन पहले मिलता है. I said, ये Bollywood है, अभी मिलेगा, 15 मिनट में करना है. And he did it, and we spoke, and then I called Hariji and said, Hariji, I'm taking Karan for a film. Where, and then rest is what you just saw.
It's for Pavanji. How challenging your role was in this movie?
I think every role is challenging. People tell you आपने ये किया वो तो कर चुके होते हैं. So every film is a new film. Every role is new. And I mean, as an actor, you can't say, oh, मैंने cop कर लिया तो, you know, this is a different cop, you know. And every script is different, हर किरदार नया होता है. So I'm always very nervous when I start shooting, you know. And somewhere you have to keep going through your script and your character and keep thinking. I mean, till you finish shooting, you are constantly thinking. In fact, even when you're dubbing, you're thinking, you know, where you can improve and what you can really. So it's a constant process, and I think every single role is a challenge, you know, because it's a new thing. Thank you.
Hi Karan, Saif here from Bollywood Hangama. Karan, your dad comes from a music industry, right? So how did this happen? Acting का एक जो कीड़ा था वो किस तरह से रुचि हुई उसकी?
मतलब बचपन में हुआ. I mean, I fell in love at a very young age. Dad was saying earlier, music is also very important. मैं piano बजाता हूँ, guitar बजाता हूँ. Sir was saying, I sing a little bit. But even though when I'm singing, I'm playing piano, when I'm playing guitar, I'm still always acting, even when I'm doing that. So, yeah.
So what was your dad's first reaction when he came to know that you were a part of the film?
Cool. That was it. He was like, cool. Really? Okay, what is it about? Then I sat and told him the story, and he was like, cool.
Cool because his father is a much better singer than him, but I don't think he can act, so he had to say cool.
करण, इसके अलावा भविष्य में हम आपको सिंगिंग करते हुए देखेंगे या फिर एक्टिंग करते हुए? अगर सिंगिंग का मौका आया तो कभी सिंगिंग करते हुए देखेंगे आपको? जैसे कि आपने कहा कि आप थोड़ा बहुत गा भी लेते हैं.
It's unlikely, but for the near future, it's unlikely.
अच्छा, 2 लाइनें अगर आपके पापा के गाने की अगर आप गुनगुना दे.
No way. Please, no way. No chance, man. There's just no way. I wouldn't do justice to it.
For अभिषेक जी.
Yeah.
सर, आपके फिल्म में जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं, पवन जी के अलावा सारे कैरेक्टर्स नए हैं. Are you feeling little bit nervous about your film?
Look at these faces. Do you think I should feel nervous? I was nervous while shooting the film, not anymore. और सब नए हैं फिल्म में. सबने कहीं ना कहीं एक्टिंग की है, सबने कहीं ना कहीं नौटंकी की है. So like the one standing next to me, Dishank, has been part of television since I don't know how many years. But करते आ रहे हैं तो, you know, working with them was very easy. And now I have seen the film, you know. So I don't think I'm that nervous कि सब newcomers है या कुछ है. When you'll watch the film, you'll get to know this, you know, why I'm saying this. Thank you. Thank you. I have to thank Inox for arranging such a beautiful trailer launch for us. Thank you, Team Inox, for taking such initiative, tolerating us for all the interviews outside. My friend Ankur is here to support me. I want Ankur to just come here. He's an actor. He's a fab actor. Come here, please.
A huge
I
round
just
of
saw
applause,
him.
ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Requesting everyone to put your hands together and give a warm welcome to this guest. Come on, everyone.
Now that सबने ट्रेलर देख लिया तो अब तो 3 cheers कर सकते हैं वीकेंड के लिए. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hip hip बोलना सर. Hip hip!
आप लोगों की बातें सुनकर मुझे तो इतना पता है कि बहुत पैशन और मजे से आपने फिल्म बनाई है. All the very best to you, Abhishek, and the entire cast and crew. जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं इनके लिए.
Thank you for coming here. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Thank you so much. Thank you.